to you, so you can just forget it. We should just forget it how we hit it. We should just forget how we hit it when it's pouring. I'ma never get it back from you, so I can just forget it. And I'ma never give it back to you, so you can just forget it. We should just forget how we hit it in the morning. We should just forget how we hit it when it's pouring. Cause I'ma never get it back from you, so I can just forget it. And I'ma never give it back to you, so you can just forget it. We should just forget how we hit it.
Grand Rising, everybody. It's officially 10 o'clock. You know the vibes. Everybody go ahead and drop the cities that you guys are tuning in from. Let me know in the chat box what cities you guys are tuning in from. Let me turn on the music. How you guys feeling? Go ahead and drop them cities in the chat. See my guy Mike Lang in the building. All right. First things first. We're going to go over the Forex Factory. The Forex Factory. We've got some news that is actually here on Tuesday that just came out. JOLTS job openings. JOLTS job openings. Let's go over the JOLTS job openings. For you guys that are not aware of the fundamental news events as they come out. See, hola. Shout out to you guys. Let's pay attention to the JOLTS job openings. The JOLTS are the number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. So think about it. The number of job openings have actually came out higher. There's more jobs in the market. There's more than previous and higher than forecast. So higher than forecast, beating previous. That is a good sign that the greater is better than the forecast. And it's bullish dollar here for the JOLTS job opening. So if you see the dollar here, it's been reacting straight upside, continuing upside. We do have ADP non-farm employment change on Wednesday. Employment cost index. These are news events that I'll be paying attention to, but not as much as the FOMC statement. There we go. So let's start from the top. Hopefully you guys can see. We are now on the Forex Factory. Appreciate it, my guy Mike, for moderating and doing his thing, man, honestly. So again, we've got ADP non-farm employment change and FOMC statement tomorrow. As far as today goes, we did have the JOLTS job openings. So the JOLTS job openings should give us more of that bullish dollar to continue. As you guys can see, the dollar has made a run up over London and is retesting that just fine. So if we look at other dollar pairs, and we're seeing how bullish the dollar is in coordinates with the JOLTS job openings, what can we do? What can we do? We could look at things like gold. We could look at things like oil. Yesterday we did catch the short on oil from up here live on stream. So any of you guys that were on here, you were able to witness the oil shorts. We do have possibility for things like NAS shorts as well. Just trying to see the risk to reward. NAS shorts look great as well. I'm going to take a NAS short here. My risk to reward like this. 1 to 3. Put my stop loss at 1925. Let me see. Let's see if NAS can continue here. Let's see if it can hold. Will it hold here? This 3-minute candle is going to be very crucial. I actually do like gold shorts as well. just in case. We did sweep some liquidity, so good morning everyone. Good morning my guy. How you doing, my guy? Doing good? We're looking at NAS this morning. There we go. There we go. That's what we needed. As far as gold, playing around here. Gold. Let's look on the higher time frame. Yeah, I mean, the dollar is still bullish here. Hope everybody's having an amazing day. You as well. It's just the first stream, man. First stream that we're looking at. NAS. Let's stay patient though. Let's stay patient. I'm not gonna touch this position. I still want to see gold sells. I'm going to take a small position here. All right. We're gonna have to take it on MGC. NASDAQ is actually really coming up to a stop out level. I'm not going to modify this. I might just let it either hit TP or stop. We're going to hold it out. I do have confidence that we might retest somewhat off of this See how we're now rejecting here. Don't wanna play with it too much. Let's let that one rock. Alright, I'm gonna enter this gold here. Stop at 2439. And I'm not gonna put one contract. I think I'm gonna put 3. NAS is still dropping, guys. As you can see, we pretty much just retested that and is now going down. I won a killer session today, so I hope you guys can follow along. Hold on. There we go. And see how the 5 minute is reacting here. Nasdaq is still reacting as far as gold. It's about to be 10:30. 10:30 closing into 11. Let's keep an eye out on it. Yes, sir. Update, NAS is the only position that has actually went ahead and gave us Appreciate each and every single one of you guys for tapping in. I see you guys in the building. Go ahead and drop what cities you guys are tuning in from. Let me know. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're in any trades today. Drop a 2 if you're not in any trades whatsoever and you're just watching. Let me know. Let me know in the chat box. All we're looking for is one potential setup.
Sell to your customers anywhere with Shopify, the commerce platform designed for entrepreneurs. Online, on social, in person, and on the go. Get the tools you need to sell the way you want, powered by Shopify.
NASDAQ is now just playing around. Gold looks like it wants to go up. I just see that now. I think we might have to stick with NAS. I'm gonna still hold it out though. I know it looks like it wants to react towards the upside. I'm gonna hold it out just due to the fact of where we're at in the dollar. Do you guys see how the dollar is moving? Dollar is moving pretty smooth. I like NAS. Drop a $sign in the chat if you're in NAS. We're still waiting on gold and I'm still holding. We're getting a reaction. Appreciate you guys for tapping in and hitting that like. $signs in the chat. $signs in the chat. Let me go ahead and drop this. As far as these shorts, I'm still gonna hold them out till stop. We put good risk management on it, and we're looking to see if NASDAQ can be that setup to make us even more than what we risked. That's the goal. there's a possibility that we start going bullish now. So what I'm gonna do is just wait a couple more minutes just to see if we react. This could be the last test. So yeah. Nasdaq is in a good position to start dropping. Let's go. Omar, what positions are you looking at today, man? For me, I'm just looking at this gold and this NAS. NAS is playing out pretty smooth for the position we were looking at. Will it hold? We shall see. Gold buys, LOL. Yeah, I think gold is gonna start buying now here. Let's get out of this sell. If Nasdaq might want to make an opportunity up as well. So as you guys can see, the dollar has been pretty bullish on the actual standpoint from where we're at right now. I do expect this to continue though. But the point that we're at right now, 10:30, there's a possibility that we drop and then give us that continuation upwards. Yeah, there's a possibility we start trading down here in the dollar, but it would be temporary. All right. Let's go ahead and see now if gold wants to start buying. I do see this break here. I really don't want to overtrade it because I still do believe in the sell side. Yep, gold buys. I'm gonna pay attention to it closely because I don't want to get faked out. We already had one position that actually is going pretty well, so we might as well just stick with this. Let's stick with this. Stick with this NAS. Drop a $sign in the chat if you're in NAS with me. Drop a $sign in the chat if you were able to capitalize off of this one. Gold still looks like it wants to sell. I just have to make sure we get the right entry. Yes, sir. Let's go. Alright, gold is reacting now. So what should we get into?
Show me red flags, everything I missed last time.
All right, I think this one is good to go. I like this candle right over here. I'm gonna put a little bit more contracts on this one because of the risk to reward. Stop order. I think I have to lower the contract size a bit. There we go.
Everything I missed last time. I watch your phone like middle of
For my stop, I'm gonna put
not alone, just spinning on my own. There becomes a battleground, place I call home. The devil's
right here.
detail, should've let my guard up high. It looked a lot like heaven at the time.
So we've got Nas. Got gold. NQ and gold are gonna be leading it. Honestly, these guys are gonna be leading it. Drop a $ in the chat if you're in any of these pairs. Drop a 1 if you're in a trade. Drop a 2 if you're not in anything. You just decided to watch. Gold is ready and Nas is running, so it's about to be 11 o'clock. So you don't want to go crazy. Let's wait it out. Let's wait it out. In the meanwhile, I want you guys to go ahead and drop. What questions do you have? What pairs are you guys looking at? And how has your week been? It's Tuesday. Have you taken any trades that have been successful? That have been stop loss? This should be like trade 2 on gold here. Yep, gold wants to continue up here, as you guys can see. We got 15 minutes left on this hour candle. The 4-hour candle has been reacting towards this. We're gonna hold it out. Our stop has not been touched. If you're in NASDAQ, drop a $. Let me know. I might be closing some some off the table. Any other pairs that would interest, I would look at Euro USD.
You can forever be. You can forever be. You can forever be. You can forever be. You can forever be.
Yeah, this one might hold. This entry right here might hold. After seeing Nas hold, gold might hold here.
You can forever be. You can forever be.
Yeah, gold, guys, we are continuing to hold it out. But as you guys can see, the markets have been starting to flip back towards the downside. And to be real, it still has a possibility to hold out. But if I'm being honest, it's probably time to start looking for these gold buys. Let me just make sure. Nasdaq is the only trade I probably will hold on to. For gold, I'll let you guys know just now. What is the risk to reward like before we get in? Let me change the music real quick. How you guys feeling so far? Have you taken any W's? Have you taken any L's? As far as gold just being gold. You know what I would say? This thing is still going to drop. It's just going to keep playing around. It literally is just going to keep playing around. So if I'm going to be honest, it might be a pair that I trade, but I might not execute on it just yet. Looks like we have 8 minutes left. Is this gonna close bearish? Let me make sure. We've got to close bearish. All right. Time to re-enter. I still do think it's bearish, bro. Understand where we are with the dollar. That'll give you a big understanding. Too much contracts, yeah. I'm already in on. If I'm already in on NAS, it wouldn't let me do that much. I can probably try to sneak one more in. Yeah, so there we have it. It's getting closer to 11, guys. So if you're not in any positions, don't feel like you have to force it. Even this gold right here, I don't even know. I think we might not even react fully off of this. I'm just playing the 5 minute here. Nasdaq is already proven, but the last thing that we want to see, look at the volume on this candle. Volume was pretty steep towards the downside. Hell yeah, we should get a reaction somewhat from here. As far as gold, let's look at it one more time. 5 minute candle. Will it react? If it doesn't, then we're going to cut it and we're going to call it a day. It's going to be the last attempt. Out of 3 attempts, we have this banger, and we had a break-even position that we closed out. One of them hit stop, but for the most part, it should be a positive day. You utilize good risk to reward. All it takes is that one setup, like NAS. Hopefully, this one can actually break lows. Same with gold. Let's go. Drop a $sign in the chat if you're in gold with me. I think this one was the entry. Let's see if it holds though. Let's see if it holds. Anybody in gold? Drop a 1 in the chat if you're in gold. Gold is finally now making a move. Will it hold? Question is up to that. Alright, I'm gonna drop this in the chat. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're in any trades. Drop a 2 if you're not in any trades. We're in 2 over here. Just NQ. Drop what pairs you guys are in right now. Drop what pairs you guys are in right now. I'm out of gold. So we've got just NQ. We've got Omar's in gold. Anybody else in any other trades, or y'all just watching today? Drop a 2 if you're just watching. If you didn't take any trades. Wow. Alright, so with NASDAQ, alright. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. Go ahead and move our stops. There we go. And I do want to cut out one of these positions now that we've actually secured a 1 to 3. Anybody that has secured that 1 to 3 on NAS, I want you to drop a 777 in the chat. Because we were able to do that live with you guys. We were able to literally look at the 5-minute and see this correlation here. I'm in from 1921. Damn. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Let's look at gold now. Nice reaction here from gold. In at 19,205, going for 18,961. If you're going for 18,961, target should almost be there. This was a phenomenal. You can actually hold this one out, which I might. What I'll do is, since we are pretty much done with this position, gonna close a partial here. As far as gold goes, I'm not gonna close anything yet. As far as gold, yeah, I wouldn't close anything yet. What I'll probably do is move my stop a little bit lower. Since it is 11 o'clock, I do want to kind of wrap things up. If you're in gold with me, drop a 3 in the chat just so I can see as a roll call. So I can go ahead and make sure you guys are risk free. Yeah, since it's being 11 o'clock right now, we're break even on this gold, and on this NAS, we are break even as well. We do have some Forex Factory news to look out for. Tomorrow there is not only just tomorrow, but all week we have stuff going on. NQ got that. I kind of want to retrace a bit. Going vibe. Yeah, I see it. I closed out one here. You should be able to close out. Honestly, I don't want to be greedy as well. So yeah, if you want to just call it a day and just get out of the market, just close your entire position, go right ahead. Definitely go right ahead. What I did was I moved my break even up and I took one off. As far as this, I definitely don't want it to retrace back, but us breaking new lows here does give me a sign of just like, I believe that we won't come back all the way to the extremes. Could be wrong. Can always leave one running for science. Exactly. Exactly, just for science. Yeah, for you guys on the stream that took anything, you should now be break even on pretty much everything. If you took this, you should be break even. You should have been able to take something. If you were in gold, you should still be remaining and not risk free. So if you guys got some value on some risk free value, honestly, like, let me know. Let me know in the chat box if you caught. Drop a one if you caught any of the trades on this session. Drop a 2 if you kind of just watching and monitoring for the next session, getting ready, maybe loading up the account. I'm not sure what it is, but a couple of you guys were able to capitalize off of this gold here, and not only just gold but NAS. Those were 2 of the main focuses today. As it starts getting closer to 11 o'clock, we're gonna kind of just let it rock, let these trades run out, and have a great rest of our day. If prop firms allowed on me or whatever. That's just trailing. Yeah. I mean, that's so possible as well. No doubt. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys for staying consistent, tapping in. You know, I'm not gonna lie, gold was a back and forth. You know, it's always back and forth. But you know what? We're in, and that's all that matters. It's all about execution, getting in when you see it. That 5 minute was that opportunity right there. As you guys know, the streams, you guys can feel free to watch them back. If you need the session, let me know. If you guys are not in the Discord or you guys are not tapped in, please feel free to join and do so. And let's get to it. Let's get to it. If you're not in the chats, let's make sure you are, so you can get notified, you can get access to information to change your situation. Appreciate all you guys for showing some love and tapping in. Hope to see you guys soon. No doubt. Drop a 777 if you got some value. Drop a 777 if you got some value. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. That's it. Hope you guys got some value. We'll see you guys in the next stream. Feel free to like, drop a sub. Let's stay consistent, day in and day out.
You can forever
Let's get it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, guys. Drop a 777 in the chat. Who got some value? I'll see you guys. Let's go.
You can forever be. You can forever be. You can forever be.